Time to get to our Valley Storm team meteorologist, Marcelo Rivera Gonzalez. Marcelo, how are things looking out there?
Well, things are looking perfectly fine. And I know lots of you out there are waiting to see what weather is going to look like, especially on Friday football.
Yep.
And guess what? It's going to be fantastic. Why? Because we're still going to have that pressure system, that high pressure system dominating and controlling our weather conditions, providing some clear skies, fair wind conditions, and it's basically keeping the rain away. It's blocking rain systems from coming into our area, but it's also keeping those temperatures pretty warm. And look at the heights of the futurecast actually say, look, the futurecast is going to see, it's going to remain mostly clear, some clouds rolling here and there, especially on the coast. And then Wednesday, it's going to be awesome, perfect day. Weather conditions generally quiet, nothing much going on. Now, Thursday, we might see a little bit of rain showers around Edinburgh and north of Westlaco, but nothing severe. You may not even see those falling into the ground. It may actually dry out before reaching out the surface, but it might get a little cloudy. Same thing for Friday. It's going to be mostly clear, and it's going to be fairly nice. So Friday night football is going to be perfect for you guys out there. Now, switching gears a little bit, let's take a look at the tropics because we now have two hurricanes. The first one is Hurricane Imelda, which at 4 p.m. had winds of 85 miles an hour. But as you can see on that track, it's very, very different from what we were talking about over the weekend. And that's because of Humberto. Basically, Humberto, it's pulling Imelda all the way to the northeast. And that's actually some positive news because the southeast coast, it's not going to have any impacts aside from high storm surge. Other than that, it's going to be perfect for the folks on the East Coast. And there's also Humberto right there, also taking a northeast track without affecting any land, basically remaining both storms as fish storms. So no one is going to get hurt. No one is going to get affected by these tropical systems. Now, coming back home and looking at the 7-day forecast, look at Thursday and Friday. Friday is going to be 91, a slight chance of 30% chance of rain, but this is not across the entire region. Most people, when they see a 30%, they think that it's going to be 30% of a specific area, an entire area, I should say, excuse me. But it's just one portion of a region that may see that light rain. And again, you may not even see it falling into the ground. Now, things will change a little bit on Sunday and Saturday, I should say, because the high pressure system moves away and we will get some rain and some isolated thunderstorms.
All righty. Well, thank you so much, Marcelo. We appreciate that. We'll check in with you a little bit because I got questions about Saturday. So we're going to definitely check in with you again to see that.